Many of us work for the entire day and at the end of the day हमको लगता है कुछ काम तो हुआ ही नहीं है. So here comes the importance of prioritization. Sage Anandam, I am Deepa Ayachit and welcome to another episode of Sage Talks. A beautiful experiment done by the professor of a university. He took a jar, some rocks, bade patthar, pebbles, chote patthar, and sand, that's rate, to the class. Now he filled the jar with the sand and then asked the students, is the jar full? The students said yes. He shook the jar and then he could accommodate a few pebbles inside the jar. But then there was no room for the rocks. Now the students were a little confused कि क्या हो रहा है और इससे हमें सर क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं. Now he reversed the entire thing. He took the jar again and now he filled the jar with the rocks. And now he asked the question, is the jar full? The student said, yes sir, it is full. Now he shook the jar and now he put the pebbles inside the jar. Rocks के साथ pebbles ने अपनी जगह बना ली. Now he asked, is the jar full? The student said, yes sir. He again shook the jar and now he put the entire sand in the jar. तो अगर आप देखेंगे उस jar में now we had rocks, pebbles and sand. He asked, what did you learn? The students were a little confused. The professor said, this jar represents the life. This is the jar of life. ये जो rocks हैं, those are the high priority, critical and important things in life, which could be your personal goals, your values, health, relationship. The pebbles are important but not so critical things in your life. This is the job, the education and other things. And the sand represents the trivial things in life. बहुत छोटी चीज जो बहुत important या critical नहीं होती है. So my dear friends, if you spend the day filling your jar with sand, पूरा दिन तो आपका trivial things में निकल जाएगा. आप important and critical things कब करेंगे? But then अगर आप सबसे पहले if you fill your life with those rocks, which is important, then you would have time for both important critical things and the small things in life. So this is the importance of prioritization. Thank you so much.